Hi.
Hi.
Welcome back to the channel. We're happy to see you. First, a quick update on the boat, and I'll share more of the costs in the next video. It'll be a big reveal. The new turbo has been installed on the starboard engine, along with a new exhaust elbow and a temperature sensor. Surprised the other day, the props were removed. The shafts had been pulled out and sent to be analyzed, which included spin testing for balance, digital and ultrasound for defects. And you can't just remove the shafts without affecting other parts, like cutlass bearings and stuffing boxes. So the boatyards replaced some water hoses also while they were there. So, it'd be a big reveal. I really wish I had the time and the skill to do this myself, because I know we'd be saving thousands of dollars.
Probably.
But I'll share the costs, the actual invoices, in case you're wondering what it costs to have work done here in the Northeast. I'll get over to the boat and take some video to show you, and I'm sure some of you will have some comments, good and bad, but please, we want to see them all, because it's learning for us as well. Okay, let's talk about what's happening in this video. I don't know about you, but every time we go down to the Keys, we always make the same stops. We love the drive, right?
Yes, we do.
No exceptions. We got to go to Snappers in Key Largo for lunch and a tropical drink for the
of
road.
some sort, yeah.
Then we swing into the Bass Pro Shop on Marathon Key, because honestly,
That one.
yeah, it has to be my favorite of all time. What's not to love? You've got boats tied up outside.
Mm-hmm.
It's in the sunshine. It's a great vacation spot. They've got a bar. So there is another one in Bridgeport, Connecticut, which is also
That was, yes.
pretty nice.
Yeah, that was a very big surprise.
Yeah, they had a bar and a bowling alley also.
Yeah.
So, but that's a fun stop.
Yeah.
All right, so what makes this one so special on Marathon, for me anyways, is that right in the middle of the store sits this incredible 42, 43 foot classic fishing boat. It's really cool, and it isn't just any fishing boat. It's one that Ernest Hemingway actually fished on. So I'm going to geek out for just a minute, okay? The boat at Bass Pro is a Wheeler, and it was built in 1933 at Weeks Shipyard in Brooklyn, New York. And it's known as the sister ship to Ernest Hemingway's legendary boat, the Pilar. The story is that Hemingway actually fished from this boat that's in the Bass Pro Shop, and that he loved it so much he decided to have one just like it built for him, and it led him to order what's known as, everyone knows as, the Pilar a year later. Legend has it he took a Wheeler brochure with him on his African safari in the fall of 1933. And when he returned through New York in April of 34, he placed an order for a Wheeler Playmate cabin cruiser. And it was only $7,500. Both boats fished the same. Yeah, both boats fished the same waters of Key West in the early 30s, catching big game all the way over to Bimini. And get this, both boats even served during World War II. Hemingway, in all of his bravado, armed his to the hilt and went hunting German submarines and U-boats off of Cuba, while the Bass Pro Shop boat was commissioned by the Navy and served right there in the Keys. So over the years, the boats had quite a wild life. The one at the Bass Pro Shop actually appeared in movies like Key Largo with Bogart and Bacall. It did fall into disrepair, and it was rescued and restored, and eventually it caught the attention of Johnny Morris, the owner of Bass Pro Shop, Outdoor World. And in the early 90s, she was fully refurbished and brought to the store to be the centerpiece there in Marathon Key. In 1997, she was actually rechristened the Pilar by Hemingway's granddaughter. But you can't help but feel the history when, at least for me anyways, when you step on the boat. You know, it was a time when boats were simple and the adventures were big. So if you ever find yourself driving through Marathon, gotta stop, right?
Gotta stop.
Gotta stop. Even if you don't plan on buying anything, which is hard to do.
Hard to do.
Just walk around and look at the boat and just soak in the vibe.
Yeah.
So trust me.
They'll be glad to see you.
Yeah, I think it's worth it. So, what do you think?
I don't know.
Don't know.
About the boat? I mean, yeah.
All right. All right, let's get to the video. And if you enjoyed this little detour, you can help others find our channel by hitting the like and subscribe button. Actually, the like button is way more important than subscribing. And don't do what I do. I watch the videos and I forget to tap the little like button, so then I have to go back and restart the video in order to hit the like button. So just go ahead, do it right now while you're still sitting there watching it. Hit that little like button. We've got plenty more of boating and cruising and adventures coming your way. In videos yet to come, we'll be posting our visit to Key West, our tour of the Norseman 480 in Fort Lauderdale, and of course the boat maintenance update video and invoices that, to help keep the Mrs. H up to date, dependable, reliable.
Yeah.
So that we don't, find ourselves in a bad situation. So, I guess that's about it for now. Enjoy this video, the tour of the Bass Pro Shop in Marathon Key.
It's fun.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Bye.
Set the sails and let's go. Hartswell, Maine, with Ron and Wendy on the boat. Lobster rolls and cocktail stories never old. Chasing down adventure on a budget, being bold. Hey, hey, on the waves we go. Easy wind and the tide's just right. Hey, hey, let the seagulls know we're cruising along, feeling light. Fixing up the railing, little squeak in the hull. Sunshine on
The Bass Pro Shop.
water is getting dull. Sharks on the deck.
It's like my Disney World. There's Wendy. She can't even wait to get in. I love this one. They've got Ernest Hemingway's boat in here. Hey, honey, you excited?
Yes, I am. Can I help you find anything?
No, this is my favorite place.
Oh,
This is like Christmas
You
and
know
Disney
what?
for me.
You know what? I had a young guy and girl come in one day, and he walked in and he steps inside the front door and he says, "This is my happy place."
Absolutely. Absolutely.
But it was so fun because they had come. I don't know. They lived in Florida somewhere. I can't remember, but they had come down to the Keys because it was his birthday. So they were celebrating his birthday, and he's like, "This is my happy place. It's my birthday." And I'll never forget it. It was so fun.
You've
Oh,
got
I
the
loved
coolest
it.
display of all of them. When you think of all the Bass Pro Shops and
Yes.
the fish tanks and all that other stuff,
That's just what I was saying, is that I feel like I retired and I've worked here about 6 months for just a few days a week. And sometimes Pro's an awesome company to work for, but also look at what beautiful surroundings. I mean, I love being here. So I get it. Yeah. So okay. I'm originally from Lake, up near Lake Erie, in Ohio. I'm glad you're down here.
Yes, so are we.
Instead of
Because
me
it's
right
like
now.
20 degrees at home right
Yeah.
now and snowing.
Well, enjoy. If there's anything
you
we
bet.
can help you find, let us know.
Is it okay if I film a
Yeah,
little
of
bit?
course you
Okay,
can.
cool.
Well, with the sandalwood, but you have that already, right?
Hi, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, good, thank you.
Okay to go aboard?
Absolutely.
Wow, this is pretty cool.
silver hair, bright shirt, and black pants. He give me old soft shoe. He jumped so high, jumped so high.